Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 10, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card, or well, not SD card, just a SIM. This device doesn't take SD cards. So yeah, SIM into the device, and before you get started you will need this SIM ejector. They can provide it in a device on a box, you can use that. And from there, let's just lock the device. Then the tray is located at the bottom of the phone. Just push it in and you will see that it just pops out. And from here you have space just for a single SIM card. So you want to place it in here, like so, and then put it back into the device. As you can see, there we go. And there's the pin for the SIM card. So let's just put that in, and there it is. So that's the SIM card working in the device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.